ram now being psychorally hida da gajte sa laye etumwi 20 kagashunga lemon festival we chief guest being guest of honor special invitees being he aung shiwi shimena karat laye chena ena tumna khwawa khonji shat layaka alung bakhi gtong ungsang mi khwai na tumni saklage na khang hot kasane Maram no shurda athago kachishat sulanje adeni 20 kukushunguni lemon festival ni chief guest of honor special invitees apeng he aushimni ashimada crown yani ha function he katpo mi khuniwa ome that pekleje chi da namno na ka ho akhanje shujao crown hayani ha kathokada rudama thelo jugo nameda sakloko ka bane nang sa sauje
Maramno ground ni ayara pamago kliushu shaje alung ya la pamalo jugo kapane ground ni ayara pamago kliusha je ground ni alung ya stage ni mangira ya rupa masarlo nang susaude
Maramno Kharmeshur da Tago Kapa Sulanle, no mena Kahoje Kanchujao, Hayada Bamdat Ranmogo Kliu Hanja, Malanka Shetang Lala, La Pamalo, Rango Kliujanja Tang Hang Jila, Lili Shuki Mate Jida, Mashi Jida, no mena Kaho Kanje Shujao, Katawada, Bamdat Ranmo Lungja da Pam Masalo. Shalliwo Kliusha, duel Shugo Kliusha, the shell of Kakat Masaka Shidi Rove.
ต้องมานำต้นนี้ไปนะ
Hello, check. Mahairareo 28 Kachai Lemon Festival Hili Ila Shiro Queen Room Rada Razanghai Ayarwi Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Special Guest, Chief Host, Special Invitees, Kala Kangadei, Kongnai Ramuhena. Ajuwi Festival Hili Rang Room Dalai Dekle. Natum Saiko really welcome Sadalaye. Itum na Lemon Festival Kachina Mayon Dalai Dekle he. Our PS Baishona Pagashoga Athene Awi Mga Ena Iram Saiko really Ogoti Hoop Vuna Theiva the Cleane. Anna Pashok Mika Hai he itumna Parida Matalagena Haida Ring Palagena Array Festival he Mayon the Cleane.
The theme for this year is Organic Kachai Lemon for Sustainable Livelihood. And our chief guest is Apinao Muiva Pfoze, Deputy Director, Industries, Government of Manipur. She came along with Sanyaula Kengu Raman, Retired Program Coordinator, KVK Imphal West, ICAR. Our guests of honor are Shri Shanngam Shalliwo, IFS, Divisional Forest Officer Ukhrul, and Shri Rohini Kumar, MCS, SDO, BDO LM-Block, Ukhrul. We also have in our midst some special guests like David K. Shimray, President, Tangkhul Nagalong, and K. Hoinu Charanga, Marine Women President, and Tiningsha Moyon, BSR President, MK Basumati Chothe, Vice President, Naga Women's Union Chandel, and KH Jaukip Chothe, SANU President, Y Hoichong Chothe. And we also have from the ICAR KVK Ukhrul team, Dr. Solei Luiram, Chief Technical Officer, Horticulture ICAR KVK Ukhrul, and Sochan P. Luiram, Ningrechon Rondru Shimrang, Thotre P. Sasa. I ask for your understanding if there is any mispronunciation in your names. We also have some special invitees from the nearby villages, Changtha HW, Headman, Hoomi Village, Ruichumhao HL, Headman, Theiva Village, Ngayaipam Yangya, Headman, Phungdhar Village, Ngazek Khamrang, Headman, Maichon Village, Wungshangshim Chahongnao, Headman, Tora Village, Wungkhayai Muinao, Headman, Tanri Village, and Wungchipem Horam, Headman, Apung Changtha. We acknowledge your time and your presence. Our program is sponsored by Northeastern Council Shillong, Government of India, True Ibadah, MoMA, MIDH, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Department, Government of Manipur, Tourism Department, MACS, District Administration Ukhrul, ICAR and Cooperative Department, Government of Manipur. Our digital partners are SA Enterprise and the Tangkhul Express, TTE. We have 24 stalls here today, and the last stall, number 24, is on lemon oil extraction by an eco-friendly process from Kachai lemon. Let us get started with our program today. For this, I request Reverend Soprang Machiri, Pastor Kachai Baptist Church, for the opening prayer.
Rivra Kachai Ngaladen the Pasho me Hili Tumdi Rinkavai Champra Koho Ate Hila Matang Sakta Achu Proho Chiwi Ningshi Mesot Kami Panit Sada Proho Mayon Gida Kalehi Naratsang Milo Program Hili Ratsang the Kaleya Kashura Katana Kachivuli Prohona Somida Higata Panit Kamayon Hiena Itumli Kasat Mida Ot Matameda Kasa Kala Rajang de Kle Oja Bing the La Katom Kangai Yor Kavaya Pong Pakami He Matamedo on Manga Kwikavai up Machuk Kangajon Chikata Tam Sang Sigmilo Itum Saiko Rehi Proho He Kamayone na So Kami Sampang Sigmilo Jishu Nui Mingthing the Siag Sane. Amen.
Now, I would like to request our respected chief guests and dignitaries for the declaration of the festival and inspection of the stalls.
'28 Kachai Lemon Festival he open sami haire.
sân xa si đô year now Atem quy và nào awon ding him Shimray la sai mơ yori won sai zen ka shi sa Tangkhul de phung hi linh sơn shi sa won yu tin yu bin mơ re thêm sắc hi mơ shi và mơ la shi man ro thao re tum gơ hai lần bin so khơi mơ ba yêu rầm cái tay nỡ cỡ nào người giòn say tâm quy Shri bin thơ bát mà lấy xa y rầm cái phung ly zen ca shi sa Tangkhul cái phung hi linh sơn shi sa won yu tin yu bin mơ re thêm sắc hi mơ shi và mơ la shi man ro thao re thum gơ hai lần bin
truy đơ khả lấy cơ phung huy khả ngỡ cao ê ngờ hai con rây con lao cỡ trò ao ai na hai ni cả hai lần chưa ngờ chưa kyang y rầm cơ phung hi
zen ka shi sa Tangkhul de phung hi linh sơn shi sa won yu tin yu bin mơ re thêm sắc hi mơ shi và mơ la shi man ro thao re thum gơ hai lần bin zen ka shi sa Tangkhul ke phung hi
about 20 years of it. Actually, I put it full, but due to transportation, I think we have used 200, 300 this month. I've extracted about 300 in okay, this month. So, not for market purpose, but entirely for my research. You are in which year of PhD? Second year. I was in JD, but in a different field. Manipur University. But I did all my characterization from JNU instrument test. Yeah. Advanced instrument test. So, like, you are able to what you call supply? No, this production is only for lab scale. That's okay. But it has full potential. If you are selling, you can sell it for 4,000. I think the pills are also going to waste. And this, no. After the extraction of this essential oil, the pills we can use with mix with some kitchen oil, and then mix with, and then you can use this as essential. Oh, okay. So this is the one. After 30-40 minutes, the water will come down, the oil part will pour up again. This hydrosol, you can use this water as a surface cleaning agent. It's a zero waste. And what do you use this for? Studies the food is like juice, making juice, and then and this white part, the fiber is under preliminary characterization. This is called pectin. Pectin. This fiber has a wide range of life. I already mentioned when a person undergoes any operation like this dominant, it is a small plastic compact. It will absorb that. This white part will absorb. We are using the medicinal, they are using as colostomy bags. Today, while I was just playing Kachai, they mentioned ascorbic acid. Yeah, it has a high content of ascorbic acid. Pectin was also sometimes I guess. Good and all the best, huh?
Thân này cho cứ thấy đi sao tên nào?
2022 liền rồi thế này.
Thật là.
No, pasa ya.
Đi à. Thân này cho.
How did they sign on the
Thank you, chief guests and dignitaries. We hope you enjoyed looking at the beautiful produce of the Kachai farmers. Next, I would like to request our respected Chairman, Kachai Fruit Farm and Processing Cooperative Society Limited, Mayasang RK, for the welcome address and presentation.
Good afternoon. I extend a very warm welcome to all gathered here today for the 20th Kachai Lemon Festival, 19 to 21st February 2024. I would like to take this time to extend a very warm welcome to our chief guests, for sending ma'am in your place. We highly honor this gesture of yours. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Shri Shanngam Shalliwo, IFS, Divisional Forest Officer, Ukhrul, and Shri Rohini Kumar, MCS, STO BDO LM-Block, Ukhrul, special guests and special invitees and dignitaries from Changtha and various places. The 20th Kachai Lemon Festival is celebrated organic Kachai lemon as sustainable livelihood as its theme. The objective of the Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society and the festival was for the well-being and livelihood of the Kachai lemon farmers, to promote higher yield and thereby benefiting the farmer by increasing their income. Kachai lemon has been accorded geographical indication number 466 in the year 2013. Kachai lemon plantation has reached more than 1 lakhs. Production has increased to 300 tons this year, and the number of farmers has been increasing year by year. With increase in plantation, production and farmers, the Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society also saw the need for training the Kachai lemon farmers to be well equipped with the ways of farming, and therefore will be organizing one-day capacity building program, which will be taken up by various resource persons on the topic: banking and finance, mushroom monetizing, value-added products, crafting, cutting, and layering of Kachai lemon tomorrow. Therefore, I encourage everyone, especially the farmer, and to be a part of this training program, which will help you in various ways in your farming and for better livelihood in the long run. And I would like to thank the government of Manipur, Honorable Chief Minister Shri and Piren Singh, for always supporting the farming community and sponsoring the festival. Lastly, last but not the least, I would like to thank the sponsors, principal sponsor Northeastern Council, Shillong, Government of India, through IBADA, MoMA, MITH, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, Government of Manipur, Tourism Department, MAX, District Administration, Ukhrul, ICR for technical support, and Cooperative Department, Government of Manipur. I once again would like to welcome one and all to the Kachai Lemon Festival 2024. Thank you.
We would like to show our appreciation to the special guests here today. So for this, I request the chairman of Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited to do the honor. First, the chief guest for today's festival, Apinao Muiwa Pfoze, Deputy Director, Industries, Government of Manipur. Shri Shanngam Shalliwo IFS Divisional Forest Officer Ukhrul. And our second guest of honor, Shri Rohini Kumar, MCS, SDO, BDO LM-Block, Ukhrul. And the next guest is Sanyaula Kengu Raman, Retired Program Coordinator, KVK Imphal West, ICAR. The next guest is K. Hoinu Charanga, Marine Women President. Next is for N. Tiningsha Moyon, BSR President. Next guest, M.K. Basumati Chothe, Vice President, Naga Women's Union, Chandel. Next, we have K.H. Jaukip Jothe, SANU President. And next we have Y. Hoichong Chothe, Y. Hoichong Chothe representing the Chothe tribe. We would also like to show our appreciation to the ICAR team. First, Dr. Solei Luiram, Chief Technical Officer, Horticulture, ICAR KVK Ukhrul. Dr. Solei Luiram, Chief Technical Officer, Horticulture, ICAR KVK Ukhrul. Next, Ngayaipam Lungleng, SOLM-Block. Ngayaipam Lungleng, SOLM-Block. Next, Chief Host of today's festival, Mingthing R. Shimray, Headman, Kachai Village. For the next presentation, I request Kapungkui P. Hure, Vice Chairman, Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Limited, to do the honor. The first one is to Changtha HW, Headman, Hoomi Village. The next, Reverend Soprang Machiri, Pastor, Kachai Baptist Church. Next, we have S.W. Ryson. He will be sharing a speech as a progressive farmer, S.W. Ryson. Next, we have Athapang Humao, who will be performing for us later on. Athapang Humao. Next will be P.W. Ngavaupung. P.W. Ngavaupung as a progressive farmer. Last but not the least, Reverend R.R. Lolivashum. Now, for a special guest, we would also like to show our appreciation to Versem, President Theiva Katamnao Long. Thank you. Now let us listen to a speech from our chief host, Mingthing R. Shimray, Headman, Kachai Village.
Kai Khumna Bayaba, Mrs. Apinao Muiva, Equiki Honorable Dr. Lorho, Ma Tabak Chenduna, Kerman Traptaki Tabak Chenduna, Lak Trabasu, Mrs. Na, Metam Namasita, Magi Mutta Lakpi Pitu, Henjina Muka 80, Nungaye. Case of honor, Shri Shanngam, Shalliwo, IFS, Divisional Forest Officer Ukhrul. Shri Rohini Kumar, MCS, BDO LM-Block, Ukhrul. Special invitees, Headman, Hoomi village. ICAR KBK expert. Aduga Ming Pandrabasu, Atop Department de Gilakpa, dignitaries Miyam. Amasung Sita Tiliba Miyambu, Egi Nungaiba, Haraubaga, Loinana Nukui, Loinamakbu. Welcome to you. Nukuigi Achin Batabak Lerabusu Tatokraga Kachai Limon Festival Siki Tamakta Yam Concern Lobiraga Mapam Sita Festival Simupung Pana Pakitamakta Nakuina Lak Pibatu Yam Nungai. Expect away festival simpong pare habsi ay sana hay bangami ay koi ki limon festival si masina jahi kun chupa 20 anniversary Kachai limon festival ne 2024 sina amarom de ti masi lira ba Jahi si counter Taurabadi, Jahi si Liraba, festival ni Hainichu Haibayai. Adobu, Aina, Eki Wakanda, Nunga Dabadi, Jahi Kunshure, festival Tobushi. Adobu, Hanaki Pipamdaki, changing Labushi, Pia Ude. Hoki ba jihi dasu aina aiki spitza marak tati ay mention tauba phange matudi matam gi mutongin na farmer sing pusu limon si chambra si yam chawna farm tauna ba project chawkhat na ba masi government na aduga concern department na masi yang bio aduga mateng bang bio hanju ay hanna hoki pa festival tishu mention do ko yam le aduga jab manana hojiksu ay na kunishiki Headman amawal na ay na pami hojik farmer sing na awa badu kari maram leibage habita ekhoi na yam chau na farm tawning lebusu ishaki finance si wat panina finance leit panina masi aina yam chau na tawning lebusu awa baleye atuna farmer sing bu encourage to birga farmer sing bu matiang pang birga lemon protection si henchin na putok pa si tau na tau biro hai na hai ningi Kachai da Champra Panpasi Yam Pache Yam Pai Yam Hauninge Champrasi Adobu Equina Equiki Finance later ba Asina Equipu Awaba Pangi Aduna Farmation na Masi protection si Henchen na Tona Bagitamak Carmen na Meeting si crying sin piro Aduga finance assistance si Taubiro Hencho Henningi Hauchik Aquina Ngasi Fiborita Limon Festival observe Tore Han Meti Chinori Tada Taurami Maramdi Manipur Kui Manipur ki situation ishina Yada Bagi Krate Kengna Mutamashit Taubani Adu Arabusu Masida arrangement Tauba Hujiki Limon Festival ki Office Peralshing na Yam Kanna Nomlaga Yam Kanna Hotnaraga Masi Limon Festival Tauba Observe Tauba Pankra Yam Nongaye Atuna Concerned Department Atuga Manipur Government na Low Mission Kitamak Farmer Shin Kitamak Yari Makai Matiang PPO Kachai ki protection henna Thok liberty Kachai Kaki Nate Kui area ki Ekui Manipur ki Chaukat Ningaini Atuna Masi Meeting Yang Shin Piro Atuga Farmer Shingpu encourage Tobiro Atuga Makui ki Awabadu Matiang Pang Piro Haina Hainingi Atuga Masi Huchik Ekui Limon Festival shi Mapung Paba Limon Festival Walshinu Haina Hairaka Masita Potharake. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we have a speech from our honorable guest of honor, Shri Rohini Kumar, MCS, SDO, BDO LM-Block, Ukhrul.
Hello. Good afternoon, respected chief guests of this program, guests of honor, special guests, chief host, Headman Kachai village, special invitees, organizing committee of this Lemon Festival, dignitaries from Chandel, participant of this Lemon Festival, and the general public gathered here today. First of all, it is my great privilege and honor to welcome Madam Apinao Muiba, a retired Additional Director, Directorate of Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur. I also extend a very warm and hearty welcome to all the dignitaries, invitees, special invitees, guests who have come from far and from outside this district and this subdivision to come and attend this Lemon Festival. Secondly, I would like to pass on a message which was greatly impressed upon me by our DC Madam Juringla. Madam really wanted to come and be a part of this Lemon Festival, but there was a very important meeting regarding this National Highway 102A, the Ukhrul Toloi Tadubi section, which is being undertaken at a very fast pace at the moment. As you all know that the monsoon is arriving, and before the onset of this rain, there is a target being fixed so that maximum work can be taken up for the art cutting and land development toward this from Hoomi Boknayar to Ukhrul town. So like this was what Madam asked me to pass upon to you. As you all know, Madam mother's hail from Hoomi village, so she really wanted to be a part of the festival here today, but she could not come. That's what she wanted me to pass on the message to you. Thirdly, as SDO, BDO, I would like to point out some observation which I have seen in my tenure as SDO, BDO of LM-Block in the past 1.5 year, almost 1.5 year. Recently also I was on tour visiting almost all the Naga villages of LM-Block. So in January and a few villages in December, I covered around 18 villages, 17 villages to be exact. I was traveling in the whole area of this Naga inhabited villages under LM-Block. And what I have observed is that this particular range, starting from Hoomi, Kachai, Phungdhar, Tora, Maichon, extending all the way to Tanroi, this area is blessed with fertile soil and climate really conducive to the growth of citrus fruits. But one disheartening thing which I saw was that so many fruits which are grown here goes to waste. I think this has to do with the lack of infrastructure and technical know-how, which in case if we have, we could have prevented the wastage and we could have have more productivity. Let me just speak a little bit in Manipuri also. So I'll just English ka maiter on the ketang yanaraga ngange ko. Here, lemon. I was just mentioning to the our village secretary Kachai also. Was our me the haramane na. Lemon hek pasi. Akoina mun ne hek pa. We generally the fruit is plucked when it is ripe. It has both pros and cons. Market as labor matamda mina amun bahidune hena pamam gani. But it also has a negative side to it in the sense that if you pluck it when it is ripe, you cannot. It doesn't have a longer shelf life. Kuina thambaya deboko. So if it is ripe, then maybe if you sell it in the open market, maybe a few days, maybe 1 week or more, a little more. But beyond that, the fruit will go to waste. But this is not the case in other states. Ayam di atopa, whether it be in Himachal, which is Himachal, Uttarakhand, JNK, which has a very good horticulture produce, or to some extent citrus fruit ke hairagati Maharashtra hairseneko. Their orange is also quite famous. Mois Santara and they have there in Nagpur. So the citrus fruit, what they do is they don't really pluck it when it is fully ripe. Makoina kaidauge na ripe waiting the pluck torga using artificial ripening methods, whether it is in cold storage or maybe using other technical methods. They are able to preserve the fruits for a longer time, which has a like kharakuinuzo Themyao. So just see the kind of like when we go to the market, we see a lot of fruit products which are being brought from outside and it is still edible. Kuinaso dum thambaya inakwa. Sigi potsi tauge haita I think we need to focus on two things. One would be on cold chain. Cold chain hariba technology is something which I want to highlight here. Cold chain here is just not one particular place or location or one particular method. It's a whole system wherein you pluck the fruit when it is not ripe, let's say. Then you store it and you ripen it there. And being a cold storage will be a part of the cold chain. Cold storage the thamme ko kuina preserve tauba thamme. So once you preserve it, then you transport it to a marketplace which is a bit far off. Let's say Guwahati Harsene. Nowadays it is very advanced. You have fridge you have trucks which have refrigeration facilities inside. Refrigerated trucks. So now you use the refrigerated trucks to transport the horticulture produce from here to a far off places also. And even if you travel for 2-3 days, it will not get spoiled, or it will not get rotten. So like I think the timing, I think is here now, right now, that we explore certain facility like the cold chain one, and the other one which I would like to focus highly, which is more viable at the moment, would be food processing. Aikoigi states that now when I come to Kachai, I see that some people have started making candies, some have started this lemon pickle. It is good. It is good, and I think this is something which we should encourage, because fruits or any perishable items, once you process it, you will be able to keep it for a longer time, and not many things will go to waste. I was pleasantly surprised when I first came to Kachai. I saw that you make candy using the lemon peel also. Generally, this was something new to me, because champragi makud so manghanda poto. That is something which I find very nice. And when we were visiting the stall number 24, it was a very good experience for me that they have started something called this cold pressing and to extract essential oil. If we do processing does not simply means that you will make achar and squash and juice and some candy. It goes beyond that, I would say. So extracting essential oil from lemon zest is also a very good thing. And as you must be aware, but let me reiterate it again here. So yesterday when I was just going through what is the special quality of lemon, akoigi Kachai de phangiba lemon siga atopa jaga da phangiba lemon siga kari khena ge heganda makoina hai that it has the highest number amount of ascorbic acid per fruit as compared to other citrus fruit, whether it be lemon or mosambi or pomelo akoina karita akoina nobab haibido mayam ge citrus fruit makhan yam leiba maraktasu Kachai the phangiba lemon sidana ascorbic acid se it will be vitamin C only. Ascorbic acid C 100 ml da 51 mg phangi hena. That is what I read. So ascorbic acid yam wange. Then they said that now there's something called pectin hena ka chemical am lay sigi su yam na phaba quality laiba chemical am extract obi ai hena. I read it in the some of the study material. So lemon sigi pota pectin jikadai de phangmuno heganda or the people who are manning the stall number 24, they were good enough to kind enough to explain that haujiki pectin heriba potse it can be taken out from the haujiki lemon zest makudu lauthokraga angauba ma between the fruit and the outer peel there is some white material angauba ma leiba poto adudagi pectin ji extract obi ai hai. So this pectin heriba potsi it has a wide number of applicability, I am told. When you have this dialysis and everything, you have this small bag beside you. Extract so what I would like to mention here, coming back to the food processing part, that is why I was just taking a bit a longer time to explain what is pectin and what all those things. Sigis, there is the haujiki fruit processing say let's go beyond this squash candy and everything and if you extract haujiki lemon gi essence oil haidra haujiki potsi extract au matam dadi just that 25 ml we were just they were telling me that for just 25 ml pikrabo bottle niko 25 ml haise it retails for around 4,000 rupees per that quantity, 25 ml the car. So what I would re-emphasize here again is that haujiki lemon gi poch is the different value added product kumba lauthok na bagi tamakta possibility explore tausi. But as SDO BDO that would not really be my line of expertise. But from my SDO BDO office side we are always there to help you coordinate with the different agencies under the government. For example, MoMA, harseko. MoMA gi poto orsu akoi SDO site gi, if there is any help that you want us to extend while coordinating or liaising with the Horti department or the MoMA or the Manipur food processing corporate. There's something called MFICL Henako. It comes under the Directorate of Commerce and Industry, where I was incidentally AO, Administrative Officer in Matamkar Tarami. Adoi Makadasu, Aujiki Nil Kuthi Hena, if I think you must be aware, but there is a very big office and a complex out there for the Manipur food processing corporation limited kiko. All the liklas and everything, they are also based there only. Aduna mayam akoigi SDO BDO site, if you need any help in coordinating and liaising with them, please feel free to approach us. Aduga mayam gi matam yam lauda bida. Finally, I would like to congratulate the organizing committee, headman of this village, member, village authority for organizing this 20th lemon festival. And I wish the lemon farmer, the participant, a very bountiful harvest and a prosperous future in the times to come. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. We look forward to your assistance in the future. Let us now look at the folk dance by the Theiva Katamnao Long. Thank you, Theiva Katamnaulong, for the vibrant dance and showcasing our culture in today's festival. Now, let us move on to speech from the progressive farmer. Idumna speech nganarum kvaisa say progressive farmer we na SW Raisen we na nganangurum se.
Kayashi Kapaivu, Chief Guest of Honor, Kuhiwe Aunga, Yaukoma, Department, we are in the Radically observing. I are in the Rajang the Clay, invite this being local Hiwi being Psychodo. Are we in a you from he got the Hopok Luxy, Hunaka Ida the Kertanji Hang Midley, he from he 2018 li Hopok ne. E Chambrahi Mulling Rang Laka ina remake up the E Kasatai he Ling Laga, he Pashokai Laga, Chambrahi Ling Sang ne. At the 2018, 19, 20 he. Ye Kasatai income Sampang China, Chambra family Jihosang Laga, Ye Chambra he in a Chingum Themyao Lungle, ye 1,000 around he link queen. Aina farm clean he Kapaim Ning ne, Itum Blake van outside the income lame da. Oh, Changtha, Ari Kalingatali, Aku Yang Tali, Malang he traga Change, Aina. Income him lay Jaina, the Satayana, some Kapangina, Tata, Mendes Salga, Ida Vakrane. Ara you are wrong being he, Shaka Willie, Tangkhul of Theiva, ye are 1,000 kg Pashokaire, Arilla, ye Kiji Shapma sugar, Pashok Fureta, later lay, Hine Yue, Fang Sawi here. Hey, Dangke.
Ningshilakai rai ya really kachitai sadlaye athang presentation progressive farmer khanili khamiji Miss Manorama District Horticulture Officer Ukhrul na khamina. Now we request our guest of honor Shri Shanngam Shalliwo IFS DFO Ukhrul to enlighten us with some words.
Respectable chief guest of today's function, Madam Apina Muiva Pfoze, guest of honor, Shri Rohini Kumar, SDO BDO LM-Block, special invitees who are sitting on the dais, respected headman of this village, pastor of this church, and my dear beloved citizens of Kachai village and neighboring villages. I would very much like to deliver my speech in Tangkhul. So I seek the permission of those special invitees who are seated on the dais who does not understand Tangkhul, that you will have to bear with me on this one. I'll make it very short and quick. I am not known for delivering very long speeches, but I'll be to the point and it'll be very sweet. So with your permission, I now deliver this message, my message in Tangkhul. Tangkhul tu ena mutu yoge. Tangkhul tu iba hina lumlau me yang. Iwi wang ba. Ning silaga re ili thada. Hiaka 28th Kachai Lemon Festival hilila guest of honor sada nutum na paniung mida. Here the whole community wang ning shilama vai mene. Atam sangda mukhimre in a kanghanla traka ningli la question ka salai bumbambe ka remai thuida in a yang ta laga hili kharnausan athang itumli ka zuizang mi ka hai kala interest kala kaina mangawak pa hilipam sarda khleji thei lagani yang nai ขรนาวคือลีปักมันมึงว่าลืมเนี่ยอีรำก็ทาลีว่าขรนาวแล้วมันเลยลืมเนี่ยจังอีถุมลีตำจิเทมิกี้ก็จีเชียนจิกันก็ลาชาละก็ตาตาสัสไซฮิตาตาสัสไซเดโออีนาวราบิงอีเรื่องราบิงราซาบิงลีตำจิเทมิกี้จีรำลีจุงดมกเลยคือตั้งคุณกันเลยลีตราขเลยตัวนั่นรำหิมาหายไหนตัวอีน่ะถ้าตาชันคุยจังอีน่ะเที่ยก็คุยอ่ะค่ะจังเขาเรียกว่าโปสเตอร์อะไรจีเที่ยว่าจะเลยไปโชว์ยังอีน่ะขี้ปากเลือดตั้งแต่ทิ้งไงเจ้าน่ะอันนั้นนี่จีอาท่าคุยคุ้มจีจีจังมาชงละจีอันอาท่าคุ้งละนั่นรำลีอันอาท่าคุ้งละจำปรากระจายแล้วมันต้องเผาไล่เลยตั้งเลยจีอาท่าจีอันคุ้งละก็จริงแต่คุ้งไงยังที่ท่าเขาว่ากระจายแล้วมันก็จีฮีนั่นรำลีไม่เลยสามละหม้อจังจำปราหินนั่นรำลีไม่เลยสามเนี่ยindigenous มันนิ่งเนี่ยอยู่โคตั้งพูดด้วยนะว่าเชฟชิดด้วยนะฮังก็จีก็จังไม่เลยสามละหม้อก็อีทุ่มเวรชินาวก็สัตย์จังเวรลิสิทธิ์กษังก็ละเวรชินาวก็สัตย์อีทุ่มสิทธิ์กษังนะว่าฮีเวรเนี่ยคุยรักมีเนี่ยสิเดียงเวรเนี่ยกระจายคือฮิลีอัตมอัปมกระจักกันนะจำปราเวทไทยคุยรักมีเนี่ยสิจังนิ่มละจำปราอีดมลีเลยอีคำสมนาวเนี่ยอุคุลิละจำปราเลยกระจายวิจำปราท่าจะคุยก็อุ้งอุ้งลิงซึ่งforest departmentนั่งข้างซ้ายแต่แค่เรียกเที่ยวไม่เที่ยวขณะเราไม่ทันจะขโมยโคจิมกระชุ่มเนี่ยสิตละจังนั่นเราไม่ทันจะเรื่องกระจังยาวเลยอาจจะยังขังง่ายมกระชุ่มเนี่ยสิเนี่ยจังจังจูวังไงนะโอ้คุยก็ต้องงาจันละก็ geographical indicator GI tag มีได้เลยจูวังไงนะเต้อปมฮิลิพอร์ดก็เลยกระจายวิจำปราฮีquality เงาเต้พลุงเนี่ยก็อปมจูเวนก็โชคเนี่ยก็จะเที่ยวก็ไปวิวังเดอ government of India น GI tag มีจูวังไงนะเต้คลีก็เนี่ยอาทิตย์ export ซาซาเลยล่ะSaudi Arabia, European countries, yang United States, USA เลยอาทิตย์จัดเลยฮิจิไอเด็กพุ่งไข่หิวมึงจะไปลืมเลยฮิคือกระเตี้ยวน้ำมังซาซาเลยอุคุล district เลยเด็กเลยตั้งคุลอุงรัมกระจายเว้นก็โชคเลยเที่ยวไปเข้าไปหักมหาลักษณ์นี่เขาจะเลยเด็กเลยนะวะแต่ฮิอาทิตย์นักขังท่าดาเอาไว้นู่นทุ่มลินนิ่งศิลาใครเลยนู่นทุ่มน่ะอันนั้นท่าคุยคุ้งอาทิตย์เจ้ทลากันเนี่ยพาดีให้เลยก็ให้มีให้ได้ยังฮีอะไรนั่นทุ่มมือต้มลิเวอร์ท่าดาทลากันเนี่ยพาดีมีบ้างคนนี้ทอดนอบิงนิ่งศิลานี่คนนี้ทอดนอบิงจุงเดิมมันไม่thấyได้เลยเนี่ยเขาเป่าหิ้งหังมีเสื้อเราลูกขรนอบิงลีนิ่งศิลานี่ท่าฮีไม่ชิมันเลยเด็กเลยหิวว่างขรนอบิงลีอว่าบิงลีทุ่มนิ่งศิลานี่ขี้กระจิลอารีเลยเด็กเลยกระจายวิจำปราหิวชิมันไปยังฮี permanently กระจายฮิลิงเงินเลยก็ถ้าแต่ไม่ชิมันละแล้วเราก็จะไม่นิ่มโคชิมันก็ไปอดอยู่รักเนี่ยยังมาซีมาสามารถเทอร์มันเนี่ยอะไรคนนี้นั่นรำลียูนิคไซก็จีฮียูนิคสลักกันนะจำปราฮีที่ก็มโหลักกันเลยเด็กเลยฮีเงินเลยก็เลยมาซีมาสาวิว่างไงนั่นนี่ก็จีฮีไม่ช่วยมันเดลิมเลยจังมาซีมาสร้างเงยไปเงยเงยไปมีก็มาตุ้งนี่เลยได้ชิมันก็ไปอาปงกันเลยได้เลยนะวะnow the กระจายจำปราจีไอเด็กสมังกายฮีเปเปอร์มังลิงสาให้ไปอย่างนี้นะไว้ถึงน้ำมันนิ่งเชอร์ชิจ่ะมันนิ่งเชอร์ชิจ่ะจังอากาศจุงมือได้เลยให้ได้มาซีมาซาขังเจทุชุดลุมสังมันดะอากาศวินิจุงไม่ได้อุคุลีมาซาอะไรก็ทำเราเครจังพามไตจีมาตาลืมมันเลยเครจังยงจักเมื่อเคยจีอะไรยงจักมาที่พวกไอ้เด็ก masih masahir sasang mai maman tampak biwa kai na sasang mai maman na kepungwak pasang kai na wo te hi kathai na shiman ka pai apong ga leidak leite hi khuni sot naw ping I thum thala kai na ka tha da sa pai ka kan rek le ji hi apong a ka yek sok re yang ile hang lo je ka marketing ai na ra la ga rang han ing ka thak le as azu ma he un tung la ka nu me ka yo sok fai me le ni marketing problem le at least concern about that it to be ai thang ga yo raw ra da phaning yang phaning ai thang ga yo raw re ji ba ji na bigger problem ning no ar yo problem ba yang marketing chi lo je kho ina pau ka sa tha kho khre jang mulong zeng ni de musung la je mulong zeng ni je ina la Ukhrul pam la ga phone sa jang imak wi ram sa thwe da athana hi ti o kha nursery sa khui la ga sa sa ni je musam gu phang da la ang athama ngam le ni je ta kha athai ji gu shok la ga athai ji ke ji na kya le bura ga khni lo ko ge musam gu phang bao ka sha tha kha ba khre jang azuna 20 achakum lemon festival sa la ga athai hya kai ta da pai hai la ga mulo khwing sak ni chi jang tampak le le de kle mi bing na bao khra ne yang Ukhrul ye ga tha ji le mulo khwing sak lak la display mang sa la ga tum kham sai na ta wi chi chi tha bao la sam phang yang ke teo ko Manipur situation ni rot mra dai da marketing sa shi ye ji mani yang 사시 그 짐네 빨라간 요렇게 이tumhi 꾸잉 도키 이tumhi horizon 이tumhi 그다당 그도 marketing 크레장 lesson tamkhui baina khigle je kha ba tampak bangli concentrate sa haw ya katei li mo chu hosok mane yang itum 꾸잉 doki ke teo kha hak mai da chuk mzire Fali later clear, Jumang capture Masamre. Katak they shong fu power later clay, Shibam Nayang, Nagaland, Guwahati, other states Mang Maningla, other countries li Yaka, Gi take some Mangahaya, Kachai, Lemon, Hina. Paula Gaina, later clay, Long Island later clay to export Masak Ruje Ma. Kuwikans and Lakazangi, Kam, Tailagana, Ari. Present day government itumi government of Manipur kala athang le de khle tum ok sabi mi khang chan la chang bom me chang hi hang la la khwai wa silake thasala la atama khali government la yang ngai na khot na da le mot khana wa maning ni no tum ne hen me kha da thei de khle ne yang no tum honorable CM li la chung kha ta sam phang la ga Facebook li la ta dei ta da sai ge ji sam phang ngai anala ma phaning khami ya maning mano ka constraint chung na le heda pressure chung na problem chung na le heda yang tackle sagi gi hi chung hi aru to la kan le da la I thum ko tong od ma sa ru ma ga shiman ga pai le gi hi thada ina teu mai si mai ka I thum forest department wi ba ka ne ba yang sta da ka phaning ne I thum shok ta khle athai yur psycho hi perishable items ko perishable itum nam thala kai na myang sang mom yo na ka itum na thot no bing chansam la ga pumau gi ji athai ma shai khui la ga pumau gi ji atam hi mrang sak ngai mne ji wang ai itum tha da hot mai da ning mum la kai na ning sang la kai na sa se gi ji hi hang la ga tangau gi ma tang rang la ka ina thang ba hang kai ne government ni jam da khle no upai im le le da khle ne government hi jang ari hon yang chena tha da asra da rak zangau la as ki kalam khira mane thasala la national lam thala an la welcome sami how phaza han la cha ka sakta hangmi laga ats ina u phak zawiya kala isi inang sora da khlewiya phaisa tha da chiba chiba ina mi phulungau ra da ina si thai gai no juena ke silam salo muchung mane thasala la azu program hili ka tom sada azu we organizers Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited ashi miya khana hibak bara miruno ina panglana asa mi ge lega yu speech le hanang jangau ke ni sner
Thank you, sir. Nana mi shokai jili lang mikar da virana lanali so kamita shung mirano. Itum Kachai naula raisang haksang kawai hot nala kay gaji hangaye. Please keep supporting Kachai village. Now we have a special appearance from Atapang Humao, one of the finalists in the Zingtun's Got Talent. Atapang Humao was one of the 5 finalists in the Zingtun's Got Talent. The stage is all yours.
Hello, check. Hello. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello. Known her since we both were kids. I recall the silly things we did. She would wander right upon my back to keep from stepping on the crack. Didn't think of it back then, even when she did not win. She was happy just to play. Stony likes to live out a routine. Stony, happy all the time. Stony, life is summertime. Joy you find, living every day. Stony, how I love your simple way. Didn't think of it back then. She was happy just to play. We'd walk for hours in the sand. She would always try and hold my hand. Stony, happy all the time. Stony, life is summertime. Joy you find, living every day. Stony, how I love your simple way. Thank you.
Thank you, Atapang Humao. It was indeed a wonderful performance. May you grow as an artist. The Kachai Village Authority would like to take some time for presentation. For this, I request Mingthing R. Shimray, Headman, to hand over the presentation. The first one will be for the chief guest, Apinaw Muiva Pfoze, Deputy Director, Industries, Government of Manipur. Next, for the guest of honor, Shri Shanngam Shalliwo, IFS, Divisional Forest Officer, Ukhrul. The next one for Shri Rohini Kumar, MCS, SDO BDO LM-Block Ukhrul. Next, Sanyaula Raman, Retired Program Coordinator, KVK, Imphal West ICAR. Thank you. We have another presentation time. I request the Chairman of Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Limited to hand over the presentation. First to Shri Dr. Lorho S. Pfoze, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha, Outer Manipur. The next one we would like to give to Tsuringla Kengu, the Deputy Commissioner of Ukhrul. For this, I request Sir Rohini Kumar to kindly receive the presentation. Next will be Mangang Raman, MP nominee. Next will be for Dr. P. Ranray P. Kachai, General Secretary, NPF, Ukhrul Division. The next presentation will be for Wungchipem Horam, Staff, SDO LM-Block. We would like to request the team of SA Enterprise. These are the teams that are our digital partners for today. First, SA Life, also known as SA Enterprise. I would like to request the whole team to come forward and receive this token of appreciation. The next team will be the TTE team, the Tangkhul Express team. And next, the sound system team. We would also like to give some token of appreciation to friends from the Forest Department. The first one is Sailam Chon Shimra. Sailam Chon Shimra from the Forest Department. The next will be Themsongam Loli Vashum. Last one from the Forest Department will be Khamrang. Okay, that will be the end of the presentation time. Now, let us listen to a speech from our chief guest, Apinaw Muiva Pfoze, retired Additional Director, Directorate of Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur.
Respected guest of honor, Shanngam Shalliwo IFS Divisional Forest Officer Senapati, Shri Rohini Kumar MCS SDO / BDO LM-Block Ukhrul, Chief Host Mingthing R. Shimray, and special invitees Changtha HW Headman Hoomi Village. Natum katong ali iwi shalam midale. Kalang da hili rang room da later clay. Kachai we aunga kranau bing long. Kalang da mier ngala long. Natum na aju hikata atam hikami huibang ining shie. Kalang da matai may tui da natum na aju natum ramli hita da champra huibang jida. Natum da 28 Kachai Lemon Festival hita da celebrate kasahi. Ina ngaklake ki wangen nakleja ka 28 years zingum moku kahire ke ji paning laga I winning li paning e zingum kyak ka tadama wan lakla kyak ka sawan ni khna jang zingum moku dang da hi ta da ka ga hai hiwa ka pha khudam akhne ke ji ina shan kuye ji wi bang na thum ka tong li congratulate sangai achu ina hang khangai kya khale salala athang chief guest of honor kanina mathala kaina mai khai laga kaphala ka shila ka tong hang khai atishu da ina jili hang ri sida ka atam chungna da khui haure ka thala la ina hang khangai na wa athumna hang mi ga haiji masung lak ka hai ka lang da point le lak ka hai ne ina jili lang mai da ma hang sang ri ake ka athang ina hang khangai na wa achu hi natumi MP na ungrane ka ala central we na order ka saka aka unghai da mara khar wi bangai na ina awi apam sada kharane ji wi wang na to mine masami alo atuna anala awi shalam la na tum tongli ji hong mi dele kalang da achu ji make sure hi ina hang khangai na wa athang ji na rang wi hong bu bing kalang da hi wi organize ka sa grouping kalang da Theiva we meeting kalang da Hoomi we meeting li sampang serai re na thumi grievances ka tong ina ka pisang phi serai re jaina ji ina sam ishi MP li sam ka phang adam li ina ka tong ji hang miao re kalang da ina matai la na hang khangai na ba orange mango I mean lemon here ka thui laga na shi we ramli fruit processing industry tada ka hakla khaimening salala medium tada leirane ke ji hi shan kuye jena aju ina tada kharjan ka sadam le hi le phungre ke ji hi I winning lila ina tada phaning ka khui akhle le ye jena ila shim han khung adam li ina isipali la kharjan sala ka shapen na tangda ji ba khuira khwai hi itam na ngajon mi khwai sara the Shri Hili organized some panglo the hang to make sure he Tadanatum Gatong in Shilang Hire very leaning she Shanna Lamakuya Sokami Negaji Natum Gatong la Shan the Regi the Isit Sange Ning Shilang Hire.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement. We look forward to building our friendship and also to your assistance.
Mi kawai le de legend issue nominee na mi haruno.
ka khanele Kachai aunga ka Kachai Khralong Kachai Khralong a ra pimila matangli Theiva ka Themyao long Theiva ka Themyao long with Shri athap pang Wungshangshim la athap pang Wungshangshim okay then kanau sa da khongnai khu we awungana Paniti lirang rumida kalay hili MP na laning kasi tinga pa pongsok sada Hoomi we awunga Changtha ning share
Thank you for your marvelous contribution. May God bless you. Now for the declaration of result, I request the ICAR KVK Ukhrul Center team to take your time.
Ajagumva stall he 180 ka 190 kaiwo result la declare mas ha pham ne ajugum hiwa 12 mang trada khani mang stall na exhibit sadle hili just ka sa hili 12 ka to ga jina first quick hai ka tha bam bam ajugum we thai shira hi yang laga ma thak jang khate Kregumli highest mark someone he out of 100 li 50 60 some bhangne ajugum 90 plus laga ishina hili ajugum khayang hili criteria he awai kahak jaina total soluble solid awai kashim kazang we shuruk jaina juice content aru kachung yan color uniformity fruit health hi katha ka tonga yang da khlai ne laga matai lak hai chambra hili jang da khlai hi kashim shuruk ba hi TSS total soluble solid ki ba hi khreli wa 18% sam bang sa de ajugum 20% laga de awi quality matha da khlai jang juice content he 60 70 ml laisai wo ha hilia chugum 80 ml ka sung trak sang dale diameter jikha awai ka hak jikha 60 70 centimeter ka ji 80 centimeter size la hak mai kharaina samang dale color uniformity health mathala kain lai dale je nai na ri result hi yang laga khani sa da shok da le Kachai best Kachai lemon kajia kha jiwi thili best exhibitor da khani an shok da le main sa la kai na best Kachai lemon 2024 hili third prize he stall number 5 away point hina 84 out of 100 samang le price la mi tha how gi je de je na stall number ba jin la ka ma ma nau si phara ka pa mau si phara kada je na second prize is stall number 9 and point he 90 out of 100 Second prize is stall number 9. Apang piano. First prize is stall number 3. Marks na 94 out of 100 samang nilay. Chi ajukum we best Kachai lemon we first again third ping jine. Ara best exhibitor. Best exhibitor he first he stall number 2. Stall number 2 na first quit lay. Second he stall kanina second dadlay. Chi stall number 1 ay na stall number 6. Ani kanina second dadlay. Thirdly stall number 7. Stall number 7 na third dadlay. Tada kalay result hi migamon kasamning mo na. Agap akay na yeng laga chung may thui kaji mark sam khapangway result hi declare sa kami na hili e first matam na tay kaji way phet khwal mo layem na agap akay li phet naw mo hi migamon sa khui maning mo na. Jen ring phala kay na kajay way chamra hiya khamtha ajigum Theiva. Jen prize he way like he in the committee pingli misanga ko ni sila kay na.
Prize distribution hi sa kawai sau se Jaina prize ping hi ishi wi chief guest na panglan samirano. Kachai lemon 3 best Kachai lemon. First he stall number 3. First prize, best Kachai lemon, stall number 3. Second prize, best Kachai lemon, second prize, stall number 9. Natum na ready sami ay salo. Third prize, best Kachai lemon with third prize he stall number 5. Hiwi Matangli, best exhibitor. Best exhibitor with first prize is stall number 2. Best exhibitor with first prize is stall number 2. Best exhibitor with second prize na kani lay stall number 1 ay na 6 na tum na shok mi mamanlo. Best exhibitor with first prize stall number 2. Best exhibitor with second prize stall number 1 and 6. Best exhibitor with third prize stall number 7. We will now have vote of thanks from Ngayapam Secretary, Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited.
Respected Chief Guest, Abhinav Muiwa, Retired Additional Director, Commerce and Industry, Directorate of Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur, Shanngam Shalliwo, IFS Divisional Forest Officer, Ukhrul, recently Ukhrul, but now Senapati, Shri Rohini Kumar, MCS, STO, BDO LM-Block. I really extend my heartfelt gratitude to all dignitaries on the dais, well-wishers, and all the participants in this festival. Firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest and to guests of honor for sparing their valuable time to be with us today. Today, I would like to take the privilege of speaking in Tangkhul. Kayasi kangiya aunga itumi program hili chief host sami kai wang kala itumli atam gjida itumi kasak kapai katonga sanrum laga itumling chon mi ching jiwang ning si hangwu ping kala tai lagaina azuwa stolli bom dakle bingili ning simingai itumi phaniti machu shok sak dakle hi natumna shokang sak ne ajugumwi stol gabamwi bukhang ba tiamwi kha khalai hi hidada yarili hang ngaya khali structural itumi Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited na itumi Panit Panau Kamyon hi Kiga structure Hangjay Maning ni Mi Bing Hina individually na Rapamaka Yor Hangai Watila Masakwiralla Hatu in a Ralaga Abmay Mampawilla Storak Bam hi Machan Tioga Hangjay Kirangai da Group in the Semilaga Taishirai Kangdela Panit Kadaili Itumna Mavara Sala YouTube Lila Yang say Stol Bumping La Matangli hi upgrade Sangai Panit Mayonda Zingum Makugai Laga Hui Kangjay hi Tiomay Kirangai Taishirai Kangdela Itum the Traka Sem Laga Exhibit Sabai Abong Kangday Trahin Sabai the SHG group Limiega Pray now being hing room Laga Atum idea La Jumeda or La Jumeda Sashabra Atum SHG we Ningrinva Atum Chi realize Sakwira Jiwi expectation in Sunday Jena Itum we member being the Hili confused Masamilo SHG group Limagzang Bingila store Pum Kangai Bing Dongli Rapum Lo Zini Jena he Ramnau Bing the Datum Queen Sangaimni Itum we program Gachida Itum the Jamjing the Lay Reverend Soprang Machiri Itum we atam Gachida Hida Tumli program Le Shiruquimida and Rang Room Mission the Lay Hiwang Leningshi special invitesly Changtha HW Headman Hoomi Village Damgi the Rang Room Missing a Kalak now Nalila Hida the Rak Dom Missing Lo Jihi Itum organizing committee we showing a Hangai delay Itum we Panit Kamyon Taran Cook the in the Iram we can take they will take we Luiru Panit Mion Labai Christmas Mion Labai Kanit hoping we participation rate Pahi Vat Nadale training Salala Itum Government of India we capacity building Jihi Government of India we policy Saklai no Kuida Leakano capacity building he Kranawli Saki Jimning de Kachai no Hilip Hapta Yak lately Kanit hoping the Razang Laga Higitali Katem Tangumai being the community Itumahama training Saki the later Lila Kanit hoping we participation he Tunglagan and Ninjang the legs Hila Hanglish Nay Kachai Kralongna Atom Gizida any function clear dumbly he had a Lungasak the clay Samijing the clay he wang dumna nguru miching da khlei hiwang ning si phongsok tele Theiva kadam naw long lila ithumna ko ho tharan ringphale thada sangai re rewaina atumui sa ka theiji thumni display ra sami ching jiwang Theiva kadam naw long lila ning sila kai re kala progressive farmer khani SW Rison and BW ngawpung nauda la no thumui future lila mai khyang sarunuk ji hangai sulisitale special number mi khai athabang lila ning sig jung ka phongsok tale itumui closing prayer sami ki ji Reverend RR Loli ari ning si miao ke matai lage nei na Dr. Sole ahi tais lipam gi ji mi ne ka ana kum gi da festival gi da ana stall hili yongshang yong da sa laga thada ana chot mi dak lei sai koru ji wang Dr. Ning sila kai re ek ji hi phongsok tale hi khangai nang samoge. Thank you.
I would like to make an announcement. Maram no sure the kachit sule nimena champra kha phugna kliusha je viunia lunga the yang maso horam the rusama lo jugo kachit sule. Asha magazine pung 5:30 p.m. li entertainment and musical night later. Hiwiwang awareness campaign on HIV/AIDS. Manipur AIDS Control Society MACS Ashinala sponsor kasali sang midalaye. Paula kai artist ping Oshimo Nimshimpi and Ningshang na rang rumira Jana Yarina Langazin Chongla ra miluishit lo the Kajisai Sadalaye. Asha magazine with special guest Yeya Nakede lecturer Phungdhar Higher Secondary School Yarimung Zimik PRO to Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport Minister. Jerry Stone Muinao, Social Worker. Atum na larang rumira china ramnaw gtong na larang rumilu shitlo da hangay de leye. Ashama Entertainment and Musical Night hi pung 5:30 p.m. I would like to thank everyone who have come here today to witness the 20th Kachai Lemon Festival. You have made this program a successful one. Itumwi inaugural program hi kupsang haire chi aina khayashi khangyi Reverend RR Loli Vashumli closing prayer wivang chiham dalai.
Itong katong nengaso Kachingin ang alay kasak va bra Atu Kachai Hui Chantit Lemon Festival hi Ran khai program sai korole nanang chonmi thanmi da tacham taramena kupsang sakhai bang prohonali ningsita masot midale Lemon plantation hi mathame da sakhai Adu rada collective gas kautna being na tamjite kai hang mi kai kasasang kai sai korochina Ramnao bing wang ting wagi chi mirin chong chali pa me de matai me de ata me de lasla ka chung me de shok kwai pro na so milu Tharakamata sasapang sabat chi Christam li so khami ka pone Amen